Hi, I'm Christiana and behind me is the Ioniq 5, Hyundai's groundbreaking new electric vehicle. And I'm about to give you a sneak peek into how it works. Let's go. The Ioniq 5 was designed from the ground up with sustainability in mind. Along with the comfort and silence that comes with zero-emission driving, a significant portion of this interior has been produced with recycled or sustainable materials. And just look at the quality of this interior. I'm surrounded by tactile, durable materials that feel as good as they look. For example, the carpet and trim materials contain raw materials extracted from sugarcane. In addition, bio-PET plastic yarn is used in the manufacture of the cloth seats. These plush leather seats are made with an eco-friendly processed leather that uses flaxseed oil instead of animal products. And here on the doors we have a unique material called paperette. This lightweight and flexible fabric alternative is 100% recyclable. The Ioniq 5's sustainable approach also extends to the exterior. The sleek and stylish body is available in 9 distinct colors, including this gravity gold matte. These lustrous colors are achieved with a polyurethane paint containing 13% biomaterials extracted from bean oil. This model also comes equipped with a solar roof. This optional feature collects energy on sunny days and transfers it to the high-voltage battery, providing additional electric range. The Ioniq 5's interior may be clean and minimalistic, with a range of tactile, sustainably sourced materials throughout, but there's a host of advanced technology within this inviting space. For example, these pedals behind this multifunctional steering wheel control the level of regenerative braking, a key feature in EVs that allows the battery to recover energy from the friction generated while braking. Selecting gear is easy with this column-mounted shift-by-wire, relocated from its traditional home in the center console to up here behind the steering wheel, freeing up space and ensuring easy and intuitive operation. I also have a fully digital experience here in front of me. Both the cluster and the infotainment screen at 12.25 inches are bright, vibrant and seamlessly integrated in this beautifully executed dash. With the infotainment screen, which is a digital touchscreen, I can easily access the built-in navigation, check up on my battery percentage and driving range, and connect to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. It is also possible to enjoy a hands-free experience with the expanded Hyundai voice recognition. With this button on the steering wheel and a simple voice command, I can activate and control features like climate settings or navigation.
Please say a command.
Find the nearest charging station.
30 results found. Please say the line number.
Inside the Ioniq 5, the first impression you have is space. The interior takes full advantage of the increased flexibility offered by Hyundai's dedicated E-GMP platform for electric vehicles. The floor is almost completely flat, and this allows for what Hyundai calls the universal island, a movable center console which can be shifted forwards and backwards as needed to enhance that feeling of roominess. Both front seats are electronically adjustable and recline almost completely. Just push this button here. Sit back and relax like you're taking a business class flight. Certainly a nice feature when charging. Occupants in the rear will also find the Ioniq 5 a comfortable and spacious place to be. The Ioniq 5 has a wheelbase of 3 meters that's longer than both the Hyundai Kona and the Hyundai Tucson, meaning adults will have no issues sitting comfortably with plenty of leg space. For further flexibility, drivers can control the layout of the cabin through the 12.25-inch infotainment touchscreen. Let's say I want to bring my kids closer. Just one touch and the rear seats will move forward electronically. To help create a cozy and warm atmosphere, the Ioniq 5 also comes with 64 different colors of ambient lighting, which are adjustable through the digital touchscreen. For the first time ever in a Hyundai EV, you'll be able to ensure your devices are charged on the go with the Ioniq 5's innovative vehicle-to-load technology. A port located under the second row seats here in the back supplies up to 3.6 kilowatt of power. This means, aside from your smartphone, you can charge everyday devices such as a laptop or tablet. Another V2L port is located here at the charging port. Using a converter, you can charge any 220 volt equipment, such as an e-bike or camping equipment. This port even provides power when the vehicle is turned off, a great solution for last-mile mobility. The Ioniq 5 manages to pack a lot of space into this minimalist exterior. For storage, you have the flexibility of both a traditional trunk and a frunk here under the hood. With a capacity of 57 liters, it is an excellent place to store your charging cable. This leaves you with the full use of this spacious trunk, which opens hands-free with the smart key. With a storage capacity of 527 liters, expanding to 1,587 with the rear seats down, you won't find yourself struggling for space, even with a larger family. And for those looking to move something a little larger, the Ioniq 5 has a towing capacity of 1,600 kilograms, which is exceptionally high for an electronic vehicle. The Ioniq 5 is the first Hyundai vehicle to feature Level 2 autonomous technology with Highway Driving Assist 2, which helps control speed and distance to the car in front of you, even when changing lanes. When driving, you won't need to take your eyes off the road thanks to the 44-inch AR head-up display, which uses the windscreen to safely display all the important information like speed, navigation and warnings. The Ioniq 5 is also equipped with 7 airbags and eCall as standard, which automatically contacts the emergency service in the event of a serious collision. Another important feature, especially for families, is our Safe Exit Assist with Power Child Lock. Once you've parked, if the car detects a vehicle approaching from behind, it temporarily locks the rear door, ensuring it can't be opened until it is safe to do so. Parked in a tight spot? With the Ioniq 5 Smart Key, you can navigate out of a parking space without being in the car itself. Don't worry, both front and rear parking sensors will also ensure this is performed safely.